Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about changing your location on Snapchat Maps. So first, go ahead and download a fake GPS app from Google Play Store or search for fake GPS to find various options and download one. Now next, enable developer options on your Android device. For that, you need to go to settings, use the search bar in the top and search for developer options. Go ahead and select it and make sure that it's turned on. Now look for select mock location app or choose the fake GPS app that you downloaded and open the fake GPS application and set your desired fake location. Start the fake location service and then open your Snapchat application. Now go to the map section and select explore map. First, you need to allow the Snapchat to access your location, and your location on the map should now be the fake location that you set. It may take few moments to update, and remember that this method is for fun and educational purposes, so be aware of privacy and safety considerations when using it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.